morning, everyone. So, today we are going to start our next poem on killing a tree. It's written by Geev Patel. So, before going to start this poem, I want to ask some questions. Have you ever observed people cutting down trees? Can you kill a tree? Do you think so? Is it easy to kill a tree? So, in this poem, poet try to find out on killing a tree, how a tree can be killed. So poet wants to convey the message of value of trees. It's not an easy task to kill a tree. It is not easy to kill a tree. If we give wound to it with a knife, it will not harm the tree. It is because why we can't kill the tree? Because tree is very strong. It has grown big and stout over many years. कितने सालों से वो वहाँ खड़ा है. It has fed on the soil. It has sucked in air and sunlight to grow. It has taken the sunlight and it's used the air from many years. So how can it be killed? Poets say it is not an easy task. You might try to kill it with an axe. We can try. Its barks will be badly wounded. Only wounded, not killed properly. Even if you have cut it down, it will put forth new twigs. Because where there is an end, there is a new beginning. So then twigs will grow into thick branches and the limbs again, and you can say the tree again in a full youth. So if you want to kill a tree, you have to uproot it completely. Uproot, हमें उसे पूरी तरह से demolish करना पड़ेगा if we want to kill a tree. So you can do it by trying ropes and pulling it out. So once root is out, अगर root निकल गई, the tree loses all its strength. Its strength can be finished, but even then it is not dead. Till the time it is not dead, whether we have cut it down, but it can grow it again, will be dead when it dries up. Only dryness should be there if we want to kill a tree. It is unable to sprout again then. It is the only way. It will not sprout again if it dried it properly. So now let's start the poem on killing a tree. It takes much time to kill a tree. Not a simple jab of the knife will do it. Not a simple jab of the knife will do it. What does it mean? It takes time to kill a tree. Only a one hit of the knife is not enough to kill a tree. It has grown slowly, consuming the earth. How the tree grow? Tree grow after consuming the earth, using the nutrients from the earth. Then it grow, rising out of it, feeding upon its crust. How the tree get feed? He got the feeding from crust of the earth, absorbing air of sunlight, air, water. It is using the sunlight, air, water. Then it grows, and out of its leprous hide here is a silvery bark. What is a silvery bark? That are hide in the soil, sprouting leaves. It always grows. इसकी जो leaves हैं वो sprout होती रहती हैं, discolored barks निकलती हैं. It used the sunlight, air, water since many years. So how can we kill a tree by using a hit, by using a simple knife? So hack and chop, but this alone won't do it. Just chopping or just hacking to the tree is not the only way. Nothing can be done to the tree with this. Not so much pain will do it. This doesn't mean that there will be so much pain. The bleeding bark will heal. The bleeding bark will heal. It means if we give pain to the tree, the pain can be covered. The bleeding bark will heal. उसकी जो न्यू barks हैं, जो न्यू branches हैं, वो आ जाएंगी. And from close to the ground will rise curled green twigs. After some time, with the passage of time, new green twigs will appear. Miniature bug. Miniature is a tiny bug branches which if unchecked will expand again to former size. What does the poet here saying? Poet is saying if its tiny branches will not be checked. Tiny branches are there. Tree में छोटी branches होती हैं. If these all are unchecked, it will expand again its former size. Former is it's a previous size. So it can't be killed. Just like a simple knife, with the help of a simple knife, it's not possible. No. The root is to be pulled out of the anchoring earth. Poet is saying the root should be pulled out of the anchoring earth. Anchoring earth? Who is anchoring the tree? Anchoring, supporting. Who is supporting the tree? Earth is supporting the tree. It is to be roped, tied. Rope should be used. It should be tied and pulled out entirely from the earth. Then it can be uprooted and pulled out from the earth cave and the strength of the tree exposed. Poet is saying if we use the rope, then the earth can be saved. The tree can be finished. And the strength of the tree and the source white and wet, the most sensitive hidden for years. White and wet, the tender part of the tree. According to the poet, all sensitive part hidden for years. कई सालों तक वो अर्थ में hidden रहते हैं. Then the matter of scorching and choking in sun and air. Tree got heat from the sun, air from the sun, browning and hardening, twisting and withering, and then it is done. If we used the rope, if we dried it properly, dryness, hardness, twisting, withering, fading, then the tree can be finished. So, what the poet wants to convey in this poem, in the beginning of the third stanza, what he wants to say? He is saying tree can be killed only if we tied up properly, if we used rope, because there is no end of tree. Nothing seems to be end. Thank you.